Good morning everyone. This is Tagumpay Aquino channel and today is Monday morning. It's 8:10 a.m. I'm not going to work today because I'm going to jury duty and being a US citizen, you are obliged and also your responsibility to go to the jury duty if they give you a summon. So this morning my scheduled time for jury duty is 9:47 a.m. So I'm not gonna drive a car. Instead I'm going to the bus, going to downtown LA to go to the jury duty courthouse, and I'm gonna stay there for the whole week, for the whole day. And this is the jury duty summon look like. My name is Ryder. Summons for jury service, and this is the summon that I'm going to bring today. And I'm going to go to the Metrobus service stop and wait for them. Okay, I'll give you update later on. Bye-bye. Tagumpay Aquino channel pa. Wala na po tayo papuntang San Fernando, kung saan natin aabangan yung Metrobus 94. Pumupunta po yun sa Chinatown. Kaya tayo po ay ayun, akala ko yun gahantay po tayo ng bus. 9:47 po yung aking appointment, kaya tayo po ay tatawid na nito. Kaya nandito na po tayo sa Metrobus service stop. Natantay po natin yung metro. Na-miss ko po kanina dahil meron po akong nakalimutan sa bahay, kaya ito po, antayin po natin ulit darating yung 94 bus metro. Dito po siya manggagaling sa north. 9:45 pa naman po yung aking appointment, kaya okay lang. Okay, update ko po kayo mamaya. Okay, the bus is coming, 94, and punta na po tayo ng Sunset dito po sa ito. Tayo po natin at kaya po downtown LA. Metrobus, yan po ang pumunta ng metro ng Chinatown. Okay. Okay, therefore okay, na po. Sasakay na po tayo. Pupunta na po tayo sa update ko na lang po kayo. Ayan na, bumaba na po tayo. Nandito na po tayo sa Temple and Hill. Ito po yung courthouse. Yan po yung building yan. Diyan po tayo pupunta. Ayun o, County of Los Angeles Hall of Records. Kaya tayo na pa. Ayan po yung cathedral, yung building na yan sa Cross District. Malaki po yung katedral. Napakita ko na rin po sa inyo yung araw yan. Dito po tayo sa temple. Patawid po tayo sa kanan. Ay. Yun po, tatawid po tayo. Ayun po yung city jail. At ito naman po yung County of Los Angeles Hall of Records. Diyan po lahat nakalagay yung records ng mga sa jury duty at sa yung mga criminal. Marami po mga courthouse. Ayan, courthouse din po yan. Yung courthouse din po yun, yung mataas sa building na yan. Hill. Ito po ang aking lalakaran na hill. Ang city jail nandun po sa may Chinatown. Tatawid rin po tayo ng Broadway. Yung courthouse pa rin po yan. Maraming courthouse din eh. Yan ang cooling tower. County of Los Angeles Hall of Records, West Temple.
Yeah, I saw
Did you get this one?
Yeah.
Check this guy out.
Broadway. Yan pong building na yan ang pupunta natin. Ang Clara Shortridge Fault Criminal Justice Center. Yan po. Courthouse po yan. Court of California. Yan po, Clara Shortridge Fault Criminal Justice Center, Superior Court of California, County of Los Angeles. Yan po tayo pupunta. Yung building na yan. Yan, courthouse din po yan, Hall of Justice. Tsaka yun, marami pong mga courthouse dito dahil yan po ang pinagkakakitaan ng Amerika. Pero mong babayaran ka ng $15 idodonate mo pa sa charity. Kaya kung hindi ka babayaran ng kumpanya sa pag-attend mo na sa jury duty, eh wala nga. Pero po, papasok na po tayo. sa courthouse. Laki po na, mataas yan. Ayan, ayan. Okay. Kaya na po at boys only entrance. Dahan-dahan lang po at hinihingal. Ayun, may kantin naman pala dito eh. Ayun sa loob. Kaya pasok na po tayo. Sino ba itong kasama namin? Eri po si Eugene Warren Kailos, Sheriff, County of Los Angeles. At ito naman po isa, si Thomas White, Supreme Court Justice. Okay, tayo na po. Ayun po ang entrance. Bawal na po yung camera dito, hindi na po pwede. At i-off ko na po. Update ko na lang po kayo sa pag-ayari ng aking jury duty. Okay, therefore nandito na po tayo sa loob ng jury duty. Ito pa ang waiting room. Okay, hinto ko na po at bawal po eh. Bye. This is my jury boards. Okay, nandito na po kami. At nag-aantay na po kami dito. Ayan po yung mga jury duty. Ayan po yung mga jury. Nag-aantay na po kami dito. Dati po kami nagtawag. Nandito po kami sa 7th floor. Kita for
6787.
I start calling
What I got?
numbers one by one.
4-digit PIN?
No, the last four of your juror ID number.
Oh, sorry.
To eat lunch. So I'm still here at the 7th floor. I'm waiting for the 1:30 to the courtroom. Okay. I'll give you an update later on. Okay. It's me again, Tagumpay Aquino Channel. And today, my jury duty service is finished. And I was asked to come back tomorrow for the second day. And we are going back home now. This is Broadway. I just want to show you the way going back to the service stop. Wait for a 94 bus. So we're gonna cross the street going to the other side. This is the courthouse, and we are going back to this place tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. So I have to call the company. I just want to tell them that I'm not coming back again. I'm going to attend my jury duty again. Okay, time for. So this is Hill Boulevard, and the intersection right there is Temple, and this is the Cathedral of Our Lady of the Angels. I'm here to wait for 94 bus going cold right now. I'm going back to serve as a juror again tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. So I have to call my company that I'm not coming back to work again. But the problem was the company are not able to pay me for my coming to jury duty because they don't pay. And the jury duty only pay $15 to attend the jury duty service. It's not fair.